Hello, this is Steve Sherman with Better Hearing Now, and have I got a promotional opportunity for you today. If you are over the age of 55 and pretty sure that you've got a hearing loss, make an appointment with one of our offices, Merritt Island, Titusville, or East Orlando. Come in and get a hearing test, and you will receive a $20 gift card absolutely free. All you have to do is pick up the phone, make the appointment, and come in and get tested. Come see us now. If you think that you've got a hearing loss and want to get your hearing improved, we're here to serve you. Again, Steve Sherman, Better Hearing Now. Have a wonderful day.